Thor here, and today I'm going to talk about one of my Lake Powell scorpions that I captured. So this little guy right here, I captured around Lake Powell, and essentially in this video I'm going to be transferring him out of his temporary enclosure that I used to capture him into this tank, and then I'll also be feeding him so you can see how they feed. I believe that this is a full-size bark scorpion or maybe a medium-size Arizona hairy scorpion. I'm not sure. I don't take any risks. The Arizona hairy scorpions are relatively not poisonous. The bark scorpions can kill you. He does act just like a bark scorpion. He has all the telltale signs. It's very hard to tell the two apart. But as you can see here, his tail, well, you might not be able to truly see, his tail is slightly relaxed. And because of that, they say that the bark scorpions have a tendency to lay their tails down. Well, he always lays his tail down. So yeah, we'll get into this video where I transfer the scorpion, and I'll let you know right off the bat. I was very nervous when I did this because I had never handled a scorpion before. So yeah, enjoy. You're a little big. And a little scary. A lot scary. I'm shaking a scorpion right now. That's what you want to do when you're handling a scorpion, is shake it. Because that makes him so happy. What I'm actually doing is I'm trying to get the sand to go to the bottom of this tank so I can open up the top. And I can handle this scorpion with some tools. Oh, but I gotta be really careful with the scorpion because I don't want to crush him. See, the thing about this scorpion is he's so big, he can stand up and get out of here. So I've got to kind of coax him in there very carefully. It's been a while since you've seen a open tank. Oh my god, you are big. You stay in there. You stay in there. Ooh, no, don't you be looking at me like that. You can see he's much bigger than my other scorpion. But the bigger ones are a lot more docile. I couldn't tell you why. Not fun. At least he's being chill. Alright, it's feeding time for the scorpion. He's nice and settled in. It's been a few days. Didn't see him, he's right there. He's buried a lot of his house. He could get out really quickly right now if he wanted to, but he's in hiding mode. It's daytime, but you're gonna watch a nice good feeding show right here because he's good at feeding. A nice little handicap bugger to start out with. Well, that wasn't very exciting. Just kind of, lazily grabbed it. I guess that's cool. Whatever. Probably asleep and I woke him up. This has to be the most unclimactic feeding I've ever done. This cricket just walks into his pincher. Gonna sting that one. Give that one a little bit of poison. Alright, with that little feeding session over, he's going to take a break for probably about an hour or two, and then he'll finally finish up that other cricket. He's just got to get that other one all the way in. So, go ahead and close him up here. And he's going to go up onto the shelf. Scorpions are done.